The following video will help you clean the milk system of your Siemens EQ.6 First, allow it to cool. It gets very hot during use. Push the beverage outlet down and remove the cover. Pull out the milk system, including the hose, and disassemble all the parts. Detach the hose from the suction pipe. Clean each part with soapy water and a soft cloth. And then rinse under running water. When reassembling, make sure that the parts audibly click into place. Dry. Reinsert the milk system. And close the lid. Your appliance is ready to use again.
Siemens, the future moving in.